Heyo, a video a day. Seems like it's that kind of weekend. Here I'm talking about, or them working on the AC or HVAC blower motor. Usually makes noises like it's like some gravel is being swirled around under your glove box, something like that. It might squeal sometimes, it might groan, whatever you call the noises, but it's not pleasing. Your blower still works, but if you keep going, depending on how your AC system's set up, you might actually blow the amplifier or something, or blow a fuse, something like that, because it's overamped. It's working too hard. So anyway, down here, you got this cover, this one here for your light. Pull it down right here. And sometimes you don't need to pull it down because your passengers have already been kicking it around. Okay, pull it down, then backwards. See, this hook goes in here. Then here, what you're going to do is pinch this. Wow, that's washed out. Pinch this right here and pull it back. Out it goes. Nice and easy. Then down here you have your blower motor exposed. This is it. This is your blower motor. And so first thing is get the connector. Take it from the bottom. Pull it backwards. There you go. Well, that took a while. Alright, then you've got 3 screws to get this thing out of there. This one's at the front. And you can see the other one peeking at the other end. I thought I could see it through my phone. Gotta work a little harder to find the other one. So you see here, it's got a kind of a corner. Let me find the other corner here. Found it. It's blind. I mean, if you go underneath your car, you'll be underneath the dashboard, you'll be able to see it. But sometimes doing these projects, I just have to see with my hands. Okay, 3 screws. Anyway, pull this thing down. What's holding it? Nothing. Anyway, so this is a blower. And let me try to rotate it in here. Surprise, surprise, now it's not making any noise, huh? And that's something. Sounds so smooth right now. Well, it's got a little bit of looseness to it. Yeah, I can see some play. So what I'm going to do is get my replacement. This is the replacement from the 06 that you guys might be familiar with. When I ran it in the car, I did not do any rumbling or anything. And as you can see, this one's got a bracket. I don't know why the other one does not have it. Obviously, someone replaced it at some point. And that's what it looks like. It's just the same as the other one, really. But, it looks a little dusty. It's old. Oh boy, I don't know if I trust this one either. It's got a lot of play. But I'll plug it in. What I'm going to do is power it up, turn on the AC and turn on the blower, see what it does. Okay? Anyway, that's the process. Installation is the reverse of removal. Okay, I'll try to do a quick presentation, or demonstration actually, to show why there was noise and whatnot. Alright, so check this out. This is the older one. This is the one that was installed in the car. I'm going to go ahead and plug the plug back in. So plug it in. Very simple process. Alright, then I'm gonna put the car into on mode. So, 1, 2. Can you hear it? Max. Min. You see it rattling? Squealing. All kinds of sounds, right? I said it's going to make all kinds of noises. So I'm going to turn off the car. Unplug this. Then plug the used, well, they're both used, so to say, but the one I got from my 06 when I was parting it out. I like to think of myself as definitely not hoarding this stuff. Just feel like it would be kind of dumb sometimes to throw things away if I have a car that needs it, you know. And turns out that I mostly drive Infiniti M45s. So anyway, let's turn this on. Oh, one more step. It does have a little bit of a rattle at startup. I mean, it's not brand new, you know. Max it out. That's min. It's got a constant fan sound, you know, it sounds like a fan basically. The, what do you call it? A whirring noise? W-H-I-R-R. So, no funny sounds, nothing, right? So, just like that, it's qualified. Turn this setup off again. And with that, I'm going to install this thing. I'll remember to get the bracket that I got with it. But yeah, that's a process, and that's how you qualify what's good. At least that's my process, right? Installation is the reverse of removal, so good luck with the project. Remember, if you got to do things with electrics, please, at minimum, have your car turned off while you're disconnecting, reconnecting, whatnot. At best, disconnect your battery, negative terminal, but good luck.